Do something for you. Show me what it do. Then I express something for you. Girl, you know, fine girl, fine girl, fine girl.
Guys, are you checking any bags?
Y'all, so kind of pissed already this morning. But Paris, I was gonna end up having to pay. What is it? What is it? She said, when a person say, ma'am, you gotta check your bag, what you do? It's all the way. We right here.
Let's see.
Who bless my back? I should have brought my muscle relaxers. Yeah, B is all the way down. Girl, I had to Paris. So you know I was gonna bring.
I did not even lay my wig or anything. I
Bruh,
just slapped it on my head.
I was going to Child, I just got braids. Carefree. Y'all, so I had to pay 30. How much I paid? $30.
They finesse. When I went to DR,
It was 25. That's what they used to be.
girl, that's $10 when you go to and from. I only took
So
out
I'm mad.
50.
I had to check my carry-on bag. I guess it was just too big. I think I got in there. Y'all see what was in there in my packing video. You see that thing? Y'all see it? It's stuffed to the brim. Brim, yeah. Hold on, you gotta pull everything out? No, okay. You gotta pull some of the stuff on top of it.
I'll see how big everything is.
Oh, you done checking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, sure, yeah, I'll pack it back. I'll pack it back.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I was trying to get all this ready. That's settlement.
Come on, get out the way. Damn. Ridiculous. Baby girl. Baby boy. Y'all, so we are finally boarding this plane, y'all. We got a 5-hour flight. Whew, I'm gonna go to sleep. What do you mean? I finessed and got a window seat. So y'all, we finally made it to Maya. I know you're not gonna just ignore me like that. Hey, baby girl. My back's starting to hurt. All right, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the Airbnb. Naja, hey, how are you?
Good. Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. No. He said we just come to drop off our stuff.
Yes. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Easy. You tired?
Very. We had a 5-hour flight.
I'm sorry. I need 40 minutes, maybe.
That's fine. We're just gonna drop off. Oh, this is bright. It don't matter if somebody want to sleep with me, it's fine. Oh, y'all. Mirror is life, baby. Baby. She excited. Y'all, the Airbnb has a view of the Hollywood sign. Talk about a lituation situation. Oh, Roscoe. First stop, y'all. It's gonna be a lituation. To get the original, just the waffle Paris. Yeah, she had to be in urban and get some nipples. That's not urban, that's country. Very much so. Y'all, and we just had the Obama special. It was fire. There's a whole lot going on. But we went grocery shopping for little light stuff. Just, you know, a little something or whatever. So yeah.
Yeah, we're going to the place, okay?
I don't mind my little Devo slippers, but we just found out we got a little patio. Okay.
Patio.
Get a little patio. Let me get a little view. Where the Hollywood sign at?
Over there.
Yep.
No, I remember that from.
I know.
Now the thing over there.
What?
The way you move so fast across the floor.
Here you go, so there.
Represent that.
Do the same. Represent. 3, 2, 1, go. Maya. Yeah. Not changing.
Hey.
Come on.
Everything is what you make it.
Wait.
Your friend seems a little comfortable. You guys alone. Her hair is nice. I respect it. I know that shit took forever to get like that. And a lot of work.
I am weak. Oh my god. I just realized that I have 2 right shoes. Like, I've had these shoes since what? August? Yeah. I'm just now realizing it's 2 right shoes. Oh my god.
That's why you picked it, right? And In-N-Out Burger is really you just need to ask. In-N-Out Burger is across street. It's called Orange.
Have you lived here your whole life, or are you?
No, but for the last 50 years.
Okay.
So I'm part of the inventory. So do you see that skyscraper right in front of us, 12 o'clock, with that pole with an antenna?
Yeah.
That has the highest rooftop bar in the United States. It's on the 73rd floor.
The highest what?
Rooftop bar.
Oh wow.
And it's open too, so the view is amazing.
Oh.
But so is
What's
right.
the name of it?
It's called Hotel Intercontinental, and the bar is called Sphere 71 or 73.
Okay.
But you know, you also should go to the Griffith Park Observatory.
Yeah.
You know, that's exactly the opposite direction.
Okay. Yeah, we were going to do one of those hop on, hop off tours, and you know, it kind of covers all.
Yeah.
So that's definitely a place that
good,
we need to get off.
Yeah,
at.
good call.
Is it better to look at it at night? I'm guessing, probably, right? Or you can look at it during the day?
At night is your safest. You know, it's beautiful during the day too.
Okay.
You know, like today, there's no smog.
Okay.
You know, what are you up to now, by the way?
Huh?
We just doing a Target run.
Yeah, we're just going to Target.
Oh, okay.
We have to go back and get ready and head on out.
Then head out. So yeah.
All right. I mean, you got obviously Hollywood Boulevard. What do you have to later after Target? Are you gonna go to Hollywood?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what's great too? What's pretty close to take an Uber later if you wanted to? Melrose Avenue.
Oh yeah.
Melrose Avenue, including aliens, of
Oh
course.
no.
Oh no, no aliens.
No aliens. I don't think I could do that. No, I don't know.
Love it.
Right. Defects.
You have the Fashion District too in downtown LA.
Where is Santee Alley?
Santee Alley, that's in the Fashion District.
Okay.
That's there you should go to for cheap knickknacks, clothes, whatever.
Oh,
you know.
shoes and everything.
Yes, that's the cheapest
Good,
place
because I
in
just
town.
found out I bought shoes when I was back home from my outfit, and I had 2 left shoes and didn't notice.
That's
so
the
now I have to
cheapest.
buy new shoes.
That's the cheapest place in town. That's about another less than 10 minutes in an Uber in this traffic.
Okay.
So once you're done with Target, if you don't need to go there, I would go there straight away.
Okay.
It's close.
Okay.
Sort of. There's a running joke in LA. How far away is it?
Oh,
45 minutes. What do you mean by that? It's a couple of miles on the road. 45 minutes.
LA traffic.
Yeah, anything is 45 minutes.
That's ridiculous. Now we had to make it to the In-N-Out. Can't come to Cali or out west without going to In-N-Out. So we're finna see what all the hype is about.
I'm back real
Girl, it is not cookout. Yeah, so these burgers are, it's good to me. Here's what you think. Ma'am.
That would happen to me too. I think it's burgers.
Ma'am. How you like it?
Yeah, you got it.
Maya?
The burger was real good, but they hyped it up.
Yeah, their fries ain't hitting on too much or nothing.
Right, we
We
just
should
got
have got the
potato
chili
chips.
cheese fries.
Yeah, that's
Maya.
why people get those.
Yes, for the scooties.
Press. And I'm gonna be stuck without one because
How this thing?
I'm finna walk because how you doing? I'm finna walk because I ain't got no scooter bike. No man. Paris, get away from me.
Is it gonna go?
Get away from me. Get off. Get off. Paris, the kickstand, honey.
Oh, that's why.
Wow.
Yeah, they like it.
Wow. You wasn't going nowhere. Look at mine. Hold the baby. Look at the little baby back there.
She need her wallet though. I bet Keith, you got her wallet? You may have to carry it for her. Come on, man. You know what? You real Hollywood.
Maya. Y'all look at these birds.
You want to talk. You don't want to change your room because he got a mirror.
Y'all didn't tell me about the mirror. It's pretty good. They put this little sauce on it. It's like Thousand Island. But other than that, y'all, In-N-Out is a go. Go.